I saw engagement ring and a belly. Homegirl is pregnant. Happy Saturday, guys. I did my hair yesterday. I went to the hairdresser. I just bought like Solar Express, like two, affordable bundles. Do you call them bundles in Solar Express? I don't know. I bought 2 packs of Solar Express hair, very affordable, to just put something in my hair for at least 3 weeks. Like the curly hair that I've put in, I don't know. I have a reason why. It could have stayed in because once I revived those curls, they look good. But I don't know, for some reason, my face just needed a change. And the bumps was coming out. Like, the indication that I need to wash my hair is when bumps appear in my face. And, they're going away. What was that? That light might want to go. Anyways, today we're having a cookout chill at one of my friend's house. I'm actually running late. It's 12:30 now, and I was supposed to be there from 12 o'clock because the girl is cooking the soup. And for about 30 people, I've never cooked so much food for so much people. So I'm hoping the soup comes out good. First, and the other thing is, this will be my 3rd time cooking soup ever in my life. So let's hope it tastes good for the people. This is falling off, but yeah, I'm heading to my friend's house right now to start cooking because the football starts, I don't know, 1-2 o'clock this afternoon. So the soup should be the first meal to be ready and serve the people then. So that's the vibe that I'm on for today, Saturday. So just come along with me to spend like a nice weekend. This is probably like a few days in my life vlog, to be honest. The last time y'all saw me, I don't even remember. But we're moving on to the end of June right now. Yeah. Let's head out.
Secure a point in Group B. Eloy will be a legend on that island for as long as he lives.
So, I know the quality is bad, but whatever, it's nighttime. I'm actually at my friend's place. The cookout was like so good. We had a good time. I told y'all I cooked the soup and everything and everybody loved it, but I did not get any time to video because I'm up and down cooking. I'm sharing food, like I'm doing all of those stuff. So didn't get a chance to thingy. Yeah, didn't get a chance to video, but I went home, got dressed. Now I'm in my car waiting at my friend's apartment complex for them to come down. We got some tickets to go out tonight. It's called Guinness Pull Up. So Guinness is a brand, and Pull Up, it's like a dancehall event basically. So we got free tickets, so we're gonna head out tonight and have a ball. Let's just know I am tired. Yeah, so I don't want to drive. I didn't even want to like drive what's that? I did not even want to drive come. I want to pick up from my house because, guys, like, I'm super tired. If you look at me, you probably can't even see me because it's so dark. Let me see. Yeah, this light doesn't make any sense. Yeah, guys, what a way Miss Aliyah face today. I saw it today. I went on TikTok and her thing popped up first. I actually don't follow her on TikTok, and she popped up first. Like, I saw engagement ring and a belly. Homegirl is pregnant, and that looked like a cute, I don't know if it's a wedding dress or whatever, but her homegirl got an engagement ring. It's an engagement ring because it was the second ring. Homegirl got engaged and prego. Oh, that's so nice. That is so nice. I watch her every now and then. I do follow her on YouTube for sure, but like on Instagram and TikTok, I don't follow her. But yeah, she popped up on a tail. That's like so cool. Congratulations to her. The girlies are getting married, having a family. Like, that's so cute. Like, that's really cute. So happy for them. All right, guys, we're tired. Today is what? My videos are backed up. Like, I have editing to do, guys. I have videos from April. I'm releasing them though, so by the time you see this video, it's gonna be like the ending of June. We're in June right now. It's June. Oh, it's June 20th today. Bloody hell, yeah. So yeah, you probably see this probably in the next, I don't know. I think I actually only have one more video to edit, basically. So you guys are gonna see this pretty soon. I know the last vlog that I posted the other day was when I went to my braces monthly appointment, and that was literally from April. So I'm trying to get the videos out and all of that, but guys, I'm like super tired. But anyways, oh, I didn't get to show you guys the outfit, but I'm just wearing this cute black top. Alright, my drive is here. Later, I'll talk to you guys and try to show you the outfit later. Car, my friend bought a tour. Women.
Girl, let me know you can always get back that boy, the clock that team. Some space. Oh, you see when space done, and you reattach with him, look on him and say, listen to the song, watch out. Fuck it up and rip it by your top. Sexy look up.
Good morning, guys. So I have a few stuff to do today. I'm actually just pulling up to my shipping company. Oh, yo, I need to put some air in my tires, by the way. Yes, I'm pulling up to the shipping company to pick up packages. I had got some stuff from Shein. They're like clothing items, like swimsuits and I think a dress and stuff, because I want to start like purchasing stuff because it is summer and we want to be outside. So let me just pull up here. This quality looks real bad, so let me just go upstairs, collect my packages, then when I come back I speak to you guys. We're not gonna video with this quality. The sun is literally behind me, so it's reflecting poorly. All right, the package is secure. Like, that quality was so bad just now. Oh, they're building right there, renovating, nice. Anyways, yeah, so picked up the package. I am heading, I don't know if I told y'all yesterday that I went to wait by my mom to wash. Yo, this quality is bad. Anyways, we're just gonna deal with it. You know, it's just the direction of the sun and, you know, the direction that I'm driving to. So yeah, I did wash by my mom's house yesterday. I did 2 loads, so now I have my last load, which is my sheets. So I just want to just get that out of the way because my bin is actually full too. Like, the sheets full up. I have like 3 sheets to wash and it's full of my entire dirty laundry basket. So I'm gonna just finish wash. I'm on a rocky road with a lot of potholes, so that's why the thing is shaking. But yeah, I'm just gonna finish wash. It seems like it wanna rain, so I'm trying to hurry up. Oops, hold on. Yeah, I'm just trying to hurry up and just get this washing over. I think that's it for today. I don't really have anything to do today, guys. I'm actually working, so it's just like a work day, the start of the week, Monday. I'm not really too busy today for work, but I do have some stuff I need to do, so I just want to hurry up, and I'm gonna reach by my mom's place in like 2 minutes. So as soon as I get there, I just start the machine, start working, finish what I need to do. Oh, that was a little close and all of that, but I hope you guys are doing okay. I'm wishing you guys like a good week whenever you're watching this video. So left my mom and I'm in this Island Grill line, guys. Yes, it's 2:23. I haven't had anything for morning, so no breakfast, lunch, and yeah, so I'm getting all of those 3 for tonight. So I'm gonna order the same thing that I normally order: rice and peas with curry chicken. Yeah, just so you know, I'm not finished washing. I didn't get to wash all my white clothing. Number 1, I just wanted to go home. Number 2, I got hungry, so I still have like another load left to be washed. So I'm probably thinking to go to the laundromat to finish that. tomorrow should be cooking fast. Yeah. But right now I am just really hungry, so I just wanted to just leave as soon as I could and get some food. I need to stop at the supermarket. I need to get toiletries and stuff for breakfast, and also figure out what I'm gonna have for dinner tonight. So after work tonight, I'm probably gonna go around the supermarket probably like 8 o'clock. I think it closes at 8:30, so I'm gonna go to the supermarket tonight about 7:30, 8 p.m. to grab those stuff. I just couldn't stop right now. Like, I'm hungry, I'm tired, I'm feeling lazy, I didn't want to get out of the car, so my ass is gonna have to come out back to the supermarket tonight. But we're here working, so that's what's happening for the rest of the day. But I'll catch you guys back, when I'm doing something that makes sense, like the supermarket later tonight. Hopefully I do go, because I need toiletries. I'm running out. I don't have any bath soap. I do have tissue, but bath soap I don't have any, and I don't have any body wash. Nor do I don't normally use body wash only. I normally use my bath soap. Bath soap is needed, a priority for me, and then I use the body wash after. I'm gonna get a curry chicken. I don't want a veggie stew. Hi, good afternoon. May I have the yard style yabo, rice and peas, curry chicken?
Yeah.
What kind of juice do you have?
I have mango, carrot, pineapple, lychee, and green juice, mango peach lemon.
Thank you. I hope and pray that my plate that they're sharing is heavy and a lot of food in it. Even though I normally get a lot of food, but sometimes it feels heavier, and that's what I want today, because I'm eating for the entire day. One meal for the entire day. Guys, you would not believe the time right now. It's 8:22 p.m. in the night. I remember I told you I wanted to go to the supermarket. Listen, after work, I went into my room because, remember I did laundry. So, folded up all the clothes, changed the sheets on my bed, and bam, I turned on the AC and lie down in that bed, and I fell asleep. So I got up probably like half an hour ago. Me watching somebody on YouTube, taking my own time after heading out in the shower. Then I look at my phone and it was like 8 o'clock, 8:10. I was like, what the hell? So I am hoping, I'm not far from the supermarket, but remember I said I don't know if they're closed 8 p.m. or 8:30. I'm thinking it's 8:30, but let's see. When I reach there, I'll tell you. You guys will know if I got in or not. It's locked. So I guess it's 8 p.m. that supermarket closes. And I know Brooklyn closes at 8:30, but it's 4 minutes to the hour. I'm gonna have to rush to head all the way to halfway tree, and I'm more than likely gonna get there when they close. So I'm just gonna head back home. Oh my god, so they close at 8. Actually, I also went on their Instagram page and there's no information regarding their opening hours. This is the issue with some Jamaican businesses. They do not, you have a social media page, you have something that's called a highlight where you can add your opening hours. The last opening hours I saw on their highlights was 2023, and that was during the Christmas season. Why not? And they used their page in June promoting something as it relates to Father's Day, the pharmacy side. So I just don't understand. You have a social media page, they're not using it correctly. I don't know, guys. Hold on. Yeah, it's actually quite annoying. So just note to self, they close at 8 o'clock. So I'm just gonna head home. Excuse me, gonna head home. I do have some YouTube videos to catch up on. I'm actually editing a video, or I'm uploading a video right now to YouTube. Oh, excuse me. Based on the time, I think it's like at 50%, so it's probably gonna finish too late for you guys to get it tonight. So I'm gonna update that. You guys are gonna get that vlog like tomorrow. Hold on. Oh my god, I need some water. Excuse me. Yeah, so y'all will get that vlog tomorrow. So that's like the last of the May vlogs. Yeah, I have vlogs. Like today is what, June 22nd or 3rd? I don't know, whichever date it is, and I have vlogs from May uploading in June. So I think for me, I'm gonna check how many videos I've uploaded in May, because I really was putting in some work and trying to vlog, you know, every day. So June is ending next week. So July, I'm gonna focus on pushing out more content for July. You know, we really want to grow. We want to get to 3,000 by the end of summer. Hopefully that's possible, and we just want to get into the grind of YouTube, the algorithm, so hopefully it picks up my channel soon. There was somebody that I normally watch. She's an overseas content creator, and her and I like was literally, what's that noise? Her and I was like in the same, you know, ball game as it relates to views and followers, and like one of her videos just picked up out of no. She was even saying it one because her views is normally like mine, you know, what, the 50s and the 100s, sometimes 200s. And then for our last couple of vlogs, she's been getting 300 views and up. And then one of her videos like hit 17k. And then after that, every video after that, she's getting over 1,000 views, 3,000 views. So, and she spoke about it, like the algorithm really picked it up. So yeah, we are waiting for that day for moi to pick it up. But yeah, super happy for her. I always watch her, you know. But yeah, I know I probably in one of my vlogs I did mention I'm starting like a new life in the 30s. So all of my caption will be that I'm starting that new diaries life in my 30s, and we're just gonna focus on that and see how well that takes us. But let's head home. I'm gonna finish eat and watch some YouTube videos and relax today, Monday. Today's work wasn't really like, let me pull over. The work today like wasn't crazy or anything, but so it wasn't that stressful day. But yeah, so I don't know if you guys can see me, but yeah, I'm just gonna head home like I said and just relax the rest of the evening. And yeah, I'm not sure what's up for tomorrow. I'm not sure if I'm gonna start a new vlog tomorrow, but we will see. I don't know. I am never buying Solo Express here again. By the way, guys, do you know this is 2 packs of Solo Express here? This is 14 and 16 inches, and the hair is so light. This is literally 2 packs of hair. I am never buying Solo Express hair again. Like, I'm just gonna freaking buy some nice raw bundles so I can reuse. I am super annoyed. Oh, very, very annoyed with this hair. I don't know, by next week I'm gonna take it out. But I really need to just purchase some bundles and just spend $30,000 and purchase some decent raw hair bundles. I can have proper hair in my head. Like, I'm over it with these cheap hairs that I'm buying. Like, yeah, I'm not used to. Yeah, I need to do better. All right, we are home, guys. I'll open my gate. Yo, anytime this tree grow right beside where it's supposed, right beside the light, the thingy, it's so I have to reach all the way up to my gate to turn it on. I can't open my gate from far away again. Later, guys.